ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಜಾವಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ JVM ಕಂಪೈಲರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇನ್ನೂ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಟುಡೇ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ simple how to write the Java program in BlueJ. Simple program, basic structure of a Java program. If you know the basic structure, then we are going to crack ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಜಾವಾ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ ತರ ರನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಯಾವ ತರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು BlueJS ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಇಂದ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಟುಡೇ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್. ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೋಡ್ತಿರೋರು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನೇ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇದ್ರು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಶೋ how to download the screen. Here we can type oj.org. You can see now download that software. Can you see? Yes, Ubuntu and other. So in the Windows, then it will show either it is a 32-bit or a 64-bit. I don't want this is downloading. ನನಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, so I don't want. Just you can click on it. Okay, after that, after the installation, the first page it will come in the form of this screen. And click on the new project. Here you can create the what is the project name you are going to do. I'm going to take. Okay, now if I want to give after computer, if it is space, click on home page. This is the project, our project class, new class. Here we have the name. I am going to click. Okay, can you see? Sample another class. ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ double click on that. ಅದರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ full screen na. So here it is a sample program. You can control A and press delete, so it will be clear and the screen will be clear. Next our task is to write the simple programs. Okay, first I am going to write the hello world specifier. I want to explain with that access specifier, keywords, then class, and public class followed by the class name. What is that? Next I'm going to write the main function of void main minus args. Okay, now this is the class. Inside the class we have main function. Here what next step is, what are the, you're going to initialize and declare the variable. Which are the variables? What is the meaning of variable that we can discuss? First I'm going to take the I'm going to display hello world. So I'm going to write the output statement in the Java print L here. In that I'm going to use the double quote, that is first printing the output, the string, hello world, close, compile. Click on the compile. Next you can minimize and go to the compile. So you can close it and compile. Wait, shows compiler also, it will sometimes it may hang, so just you can close and open. Set just I'm going to click, it's going to open and you can see the screen. Still foolish. 1 second, it's opening. So good. Okay. Now can you see which is the project? It is computer application. It is coming in that errors. Error is different types of errors. First, print end. That is the error. If I am can you see a class compiled no syntax. ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಸೆಮಿಕೋಲನ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will show the what is the error. ಯಾವ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ can you see ಇಲ್ಲಿ error. It is going to end the statement that I am going to explain. This is simple one basic program. Okay, click compile. Next, how to see the output. Here, go to the home screen, right click. Now you're going to see the output window that is known as terminal window. What is the output I am going to expect? That is, I have the output statement I written change instead of hello word. I'm going to change Suprith. So what is the output you'll get? Of course, you'll get Suprith, right? See, last program it is coming hello word. Next program it is coming Suprith. Sir, I want only updated output. Then go to the option in the output screen. Then you can clear screen at method call. Clear screen at method call module. The word output it will not show. And want to clear, just you can clear. Now I am going to 1, 2, 3. Click on the compile. Next, minimize. Go to the home screen and now terminal window finity. It is not showing the old output. Updated output it is coming. Okay, this is simple program. Now I am going to take simple another one program. Now mathematics ಅಲ್ಲಿ addition of two numbers ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 5 plus 6 is equal to 11 ಇರಬೇಕು. This is the basic program and all the programs we have main function as well as class. Okay, now I'm going to take the two variables, okay, a and b, and of data type integer. So what is the integer data type that we can discuss one by one? Data type, variable, keyword, so many of them. That are all the basic things. Okay, next I'm going to take int means that is a number without decimal point. So int is a data type. A is equal to I will take 5, comma. Comma we are using the comma to separate the variables. B is equal to 6. Semi. And these are the A and B are input variables. Next is C, I will take output variable. What is that output variable, sir? The input variable, they are going to store input values. In output variable, it is going to store what is the output. So what is the value you are going to store? Now we are instead of 5 plus 6, I can store the ಈಗ ನಾವು 5 ಏನು ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ 5 ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸೆಮಿಕೋಲನ್. Now C is equal to B. So as I already said, what I said, which is the output statement in the Java system out dot println. System S should be capital. One thing is what are the features of Java? You know, arrays. Sorry, Java is a case sensitive language, uppercase and lower. System out dot println. So the last example I taken hello word here, which is the output you want to print 5 plus 6 value, where it is stored in variable C, right? Semicolon, and click on the compile. Compile. So can you see here downside? Can it is coming class compiled, no syntax error. If I am going to give instead of semicolon, if I give colon, you'll get the error. So compile means we are going to find out any errors in our program that is known as compile. If you get any errors, error idre adna ನಾವು remove madadna. Removing of an error is known as debug. Now semicolon idinda comma colon ittu ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ debug ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Now click on the compile, no syntax error. Again minimize, go to the home screen. What is the output it will come? The terminal window, it's coming 11, right? 5 plus 6. Sir, I want in the form of string the addition A and B double quote plus C. You want to add string. String means inside the double quote. Then what is this plus symbol, sir? Plus symbol is a concatenation operator in the Java to add with the strings and integer and okay. Now instead of plus, I am going to give semicolon. Click on the compile. Sorry, comma I have taken. You'll get the error, right? What is the error? That is, if I want to use plus, you must use the plus. That will after that you will get can you see no error, right? Now I'm going to minimize, enter. Now can you see the addition of A and B? It's coming in. It is not look proper output, sir. So then again you go here B, then you can use the colon and you can give us some space. Click on the compile. Rightly and okay. A ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಈಗ the addition of A and B 11. Right? Simple program. Simple. ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಿ ನ ಡಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಈಗ ಸಿ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಾನು ಡಬಲ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ it is going to print C. Can you see? It is going to print C instead of 11. Why? That output variable you have taken the string. So that time you are going to not doubles. If you want to print the string, you can use the double quote. To see the output, just you can type the so C. So means C alien value store agide 11 store agide, right? This terminal window. Can you see? It is coming 11. Okay. Now I'm going to explain the logic. In the Java, I'm going to write comment. So what is the meaning of comment? See, as a new learning Java first time, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಕಡಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಸದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. I'm going to write comments. Comments means it's a non-executable statement in use. It's not going to execute anything. What is the purpose? To proper understanding of the programming, we are going to write the comments. So what is the logic of this program? I'm going to add the two number, right? Press enter, use double slash. Then what is the program of this program? What is the aim of this program? Addition of two numbers. Class. And what is the class name I have taken? Sample. Right. Next, what is this one? This is function. Which function? Main function. Okay. Now, in any program in the Java, you can take, there will be first is input. So input, we are going to initialize the variable, what are the things that you are going to initialize or declare. And the next part is the logic. What is the logic? After initialization, you are going to do your logic. Here I have done the logic addition of two numbers. And the next output is, next statement is output. So basic structure, it will come initialization or input. Next we are doing some logic. Then we are going to print the output. In each Java programming language, click on the compile. Because without writing the commands, the program is different. Right? Now we can fresher again ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. So it is addition of two numbers. So this program is addition of two numbers. First you are going to write the class, next you are going to write the function. Inside the function, now what is the scope of the main function? This is the scope of main function. Can you see it? This is the function scope of the main function. And so what is the scope of the class? The scope of the class is this one. Complete up to the this is the scope of class. You see, compile. This addition of two numbers. Okay. Can you do some multiplication of two numbers? Same. So I'm going to take another one variable. Another one variable is D. I will take D. Multiplication means A into B. I will take. So this is also logic, right? So you want to print the another one output means I am going to write another one output system out dot print L and what is the output? Then column. Then you can write on the output. Command is not a mandatory thing. In proper understanding, can you see? Click on the compare. I'm going to write one string here. The addition is semicolon. I will write colon. Okay. So after this, after the string, you want to add string into the variable means you're going to add which one symbol? Plus symbol. Got it? Don't confuse. Here also I will take multiplication is plus. Click on the compare. Now click on the rightly output screen. Go to terminal window. Very terminal window. I can see addition is 6 plus 5 is 11 and multiplication is 30. You can do it for subtraction, multiplication, division, right? So the basic thing is first we are going to write the class. Here I have not used the scanner class. I have taken only direct, right? Direct, how to do the program directly. I want to take the scanner class. I will explain after that. Okay. This is the simple hello word, and the second one is addition of two number multiplication, basic operation of a mathematics. You see, so these are all the things, how to write the comments, how to write the functions and all. Next in the class, I'm going to explain the variables, keyword, and public access specifier. What is this keyword? Can you see? ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. this different colors means different color then paint ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. different color means that is the keywords. All other are coming in the black color except this. So keywords means that is a special meaning to the compiler. They have inbuilt keywords. Some 52 keywords are it is also known as reserved words. Okay. So that has special meaning to the compiler. So that is come in the form of different color. I hope understand. This is a simple how to write the basic structure of a Java program. It start from class, next to the main function, next we write the input or initialization, next we can go to the logic. After the logic, your task is to show the output basic system out and print, then you are going to close the open brace and closed brace. And if you get any errors, then you are going to take the compile. If you get any errors, then you are going to debug it. Once it is debugged, you can see the output. This is the how we can run the program, Java program in BlueJ application. Got it? I hope this session is helpful for you. If any in this that you can tell me. Thank you. Thank you.